Hi, Ben here and welcome back to the workshop, and we thought it'd be good to show you how to actually coil a bandsaw blade. So obviously when you get a new bandsaw blade, it comes all coiled up and it springs apart when you open it and you think, well, how do I get that back together? So basically when you're changing a blade and you want to just store it in your workshop, there's an easy way to coil your blade. So hold your blade midway with your thumbs on the back edge of the blade. What we're going to do is we're going to twist one thumb in one direction and one thumb in the opposite. And what we're going to do is we're going to twist those thumbs away from ourselves, and as we start to twist it, we cross our hands over like so. And you can see that it creates these lovely loops, and you can either put a cable tie around it or just hang it on a nail in your workshop, so it's nice and safe and it doesn't take up as much room. Obviously when it comes to uncurling the bandsaw blade, you need to be a little bit careful that it doesn't sort of spring apart and get you in the face, like so, and then it's back as it was. So show you again on this big one. So what we do is we twist those thumbs away from ourselves and then cross our wrists over, and that creates those loops. But just to make it a little bit simpler so you can see it, I've got a much smaller coil, so this is off my Milwaukee saw. Same technique, twist those thumbs away from yourself and cross those wrists over, and it creates those nice neat little loops. Okay, so hope that helps. Hope that makes it a little bit easier for you guys to store your bandsaw blades, and it just means they take up less room in your workshop. So thanks for watching.